motor and you connect to the wires, the solar fan will be work. Benefits. Good morning, my name is Salim. I am from 7th class. We are from Tsms Raikode Sangareddy. Our project is solar table fan. Material required: fan, DC motor, 1 battery cap, 9-watt battery, 1 solar panel, wires, cardboard. Procedure: fan is connected to DC motor. DC motor has 2 connections. One end is connected to 9-watt battery. Other end is connected to solar panel. When you connect the wires, fan will be work. Benefit: it's a free current generate. It power is not available. This will be beneficial. Thank you.